أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ya Ahlul Quran. I hope and pray that Allah are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn Surah Al-Ikhlas. Okay, so first I'm gonna recite the surah and then let's look into Tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Alhamdulillah. And number 1, قل هو الله أحد. Qul, not kul. All those 4 surah which is starting from kul, don't pronounce them like a kul, okay? If you say kaf here, the meaning will change completely. It's not a kul or a khul, qul. There should be no hums. Hums means the continuation of the breath, no breath at all, just with the qul with the jahar, because this is a letter of jahar. Jahar means no breath is involved there. Qul. And also don't do qalqala. Many sisters do this mistake like qul. That is also wrong. Qul huwa. And don't say huwa. It's not qul huwa. Qul huwa. Huwa. One count. Connect that to this lam. There is a connecting hamza which we are not reading, hamzatul wasl. And the lam al-jalala will be heavier due to this fatha. Qul huwallahu. Don't read a wow heavy like a qul huwallahu, wallahu. See, it will sometimes become heavy due to this lam al jalala, but make sure to pronounce wow light and lam heavy. Qul huwallahu, qul huwallahu ahad. If you say ahad with that ha blunt sound, then the meaning of word will be wrong. Okay, you should say ahad, ahad, ha. It's compulsory or the meaning will change. Lahan al jali, ahad. Dal which has dhammatan will acquire temporary sukoon while stopping, and that's due to that sakin we will do qalqala on this dal. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد Allahu. Hamzatul wasl which already has fatha here, then it should be even if you don't find fatha in few musaf, you will not find fatha, you will add fatha because the next letter is lam. Okay, Allahu, lam al jalala heavy. Allahu samad. Connect her to the sword. Hamzatul wasl and lam al jalala is not read, and the sword is heavily pronounced with the tashdeed on it. Allahu Samad. Sa, not Samad. Samad has no meaning. It is Samad. Sa, isti'ala. Allahu Samad. Samad. Dal with the qalqala while stopping. But if you want to connect, sometimes the shorter ayahs we connect, right? So if you want to connect, see there is no noon qutni here. Usually you can find this in the Quran, that if you want to connect, even in Surah Al-Mulk you can see at the end of ayah number 1 and the beginning of ayah number 2 there is a noon qutni. To say that you will do, you will just pronounce that noon qutni. But here there is no noon qutni. If you want to connect here, then you will recite قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد, because this tanween here will be written down with the kasra, noon kasra, and this hamzatul wasl will not be read, and you will pronounce قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد, because we have already seen this, right? In the taqa sakin and ruling, when tanween is followed by hamzatul wasl, then we will pronounce that noon qutni while connecting, but while stopping it will be قل هو الله أحد Allahu Samad. Lam yalid walam yulad. Lam yalid. Lam. Mim sakin with no extra gunna. Lam. Yalid. Don't stretch lam yalid. Yalid. Wrong. It is just yalid. Yalid. Lam yalid walam yulad. Walam. No extra gunna here. Izhar al-shafawi. Walam yulad. Few sisters have seen here they do a jerk like yulad. That is wrong. This is you. Okay. Wow maddiya. Walam yulad. Already there is sakin, so you just pronounce it with qalqala while stopping. Lam yalid walam yulad. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Walam mim sakin, no extra gunna. Yakun noon sakin followed by lam. So noon sakin is now completely merged with lam. Therefore, we will not pronounce it. Yakul, not yakun. Yakul. Walam yakul lahu. Two haraka, madal sila sogra. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan. Kufuwan, not kufuwan, because few sisters do this. I have seen in Surah Ikhlas, many students pronounce it like kufuwan ahad. This is wrong. There is no tashdeed. It is just kufuwan. And also don't stretch it like kufuwan. Okay. Kufuwan. Fa and wow. Both the letters of Shafatan pronounced correctly. Kufuwan. Tanween followed by Hamza. Just izhar, no extra gunna. Kufuwan ahad. Ahad. Again the same word. Ahad, which where you have to pronounce ha with a sharp sound and dal with a qalqala while stopping. Okay. ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Alhamdulillah, so we have completed learning Surah Al-Ikhlas, the short surah with just 4 ayahs, and we usually recite this many times in the morning adhkar, in the evening adhkar. Subhanallah, so Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning the surahs. Practice well, make sure to practice with tajweed because these are the surahs which we recite more in the adhkar as well. Pronounce all the letters and words correctly here, because if you just say ahad as ahad, then the whole ayah is wrong. Where you're saying Allah is one, then you're just completely changing the meaning, right? From ahad to ahad is meaningless. From samad to samad is meaningless, right? So make sure inshallah to pronounce correctly. So if you have any doubts with the tajweed rulings, you can ask me. I'm gonna turn your mics on inshallah. No, sister. Alhamdulillah. Let's end the meeting now inshallah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله.